What's up? Alyssa here. Welcome back to my channel. Look at our special little guest today, Murphy. What do you guys think of these earrings? I kind of feel like I look like the lady off of Emperor's New Groove. I don't know, I kind of like them though. So today in this video we are going to be trying out these tattooed brows, and I'm so nervous, but here we go. So it's like those little temporary tattoos that you used to get as a little kid. That's exactly what this material is. So the front is like the tattoo part, and then on the back is like an exact like copy of it. So when you place it on your eyebrow, you're gonna know exactly where it's at. But so one thing I'm really scared of with these brows is I have microbladed eyebrows and I have a pretty defined shape. And I'm really nervous about getting it over it, so this might be a flop. So the first things first, they range in sizes. This is the smallest, and they get like really thick down here. So like really thick and to like really small. But I guess you just decide what ones you want. And then you cut them out. I'm gonna go with this fourth pair down. All right, so here they are. Just place them on my forehead. Oh God. Yes, just kidding. And then you cut them right in the middle. I'm so nervous. Got my paper towels. I'm gonna wet it with cold water. I don't know if that makes a difference. I actually haven't read anything on this. I've just kind of like saw a couple other people on Instagram that have done it, and I read their description. I'm just going off the base of like what the temporary tattoo was as a little kid, so we'll see. Oh God, that's so much water. Okay. Oh no. This is right and this is left. I'm gonna do left first. I'm gonna, oh God, place it on my brow. Sorry. I matched the arches up the best that I could. I already have a feeling this is gonna turn out bad. I'm just going to press it on with my cold paper towel. How long do I keep it on for? I'm gonna Google it. Oh, also, don't mind my nails. Haven't done them yet. Well, okay. Oh no! My brow lines don't even match up! God. Oh my God, though. Look at this. Are you seeing this? Honestly, I do not know how I feel about this. Definitely give me a thicker brow look, but it's not lined up with my microblading at all. Oh man. I have no idea what I think. Well, oh God. Since we're not a quitter, we're gonna do the other side. Like, it's not terrible, it's just not lined up well. I'm gonna try and line this one up better. Okay, we're doing it. We're doing it. I'm actually really impressed with the way that it looks. But it is super shiny, like everyone says. I can't dim it down. It's so shiny. Let's see how this other one looks. I tried to line it up way better. All right, let's do the reveal. Ah. What? Seriously looks like actual hair. Let me come closer. As you can see though, I obviously did not pick the right shape for my eyebrows. I can't even tell because I didn't even place them right. But I do really like the tiny little hair strokes that they give, but this one is like, the tail comes up and my eyebrows are too arched. I didn't get the right shape for my eyes, but I couldn't find any that were like the same one as me, but I think they're kind of cool. That definitely gives this one like a thicker brow look, and I like that. But the tail on this one comes up, and I read online that if you use olive oil, you can remove a temporary tattoo. So I'm gonna go in with my Tatcha oil and try and remove it, and we'll just see. Look. So weird. Honestly, I ain't mad. I'm going to remove these ones though and try a bigger size. So take number 2. Okay. I put some oil on them and I've been scrubbing at them, and holy cow, these suckers really last. Alright, here's my second attempt at doing these brows. This one got way better than the first try. Obviously they're not perfect, but wow, I'm really amazed with how they worked out. Here's the final look. I definitely recommend trying them out. I just got mine off of Amazon, so just go search up temporary tattoo or 4D eyebrows or something. For application, I think where I went wrong with the first one is I went a little small for my eyebrows. Since I have already some pretty defined microbladed eyebrows, I would definitely go bigger. It's gonna be just easier to cover up, and when you're applying them, try to start at the arch, because then you can line it up from there. So start at the arch and then kind of like bring everything down. So like, I'll just use this paper. When you're applying, just start at the arch and then kind of cover on top. These are not the same shape as my eyebrows. I couldn't find any higher arched ones on Amazon. These were like the heaviest that they got, so that's probably my next step, is to find better arched brows. But overall, I am not upset about this. I'm pretty impressed. Try them out. Let me know how it goes. It has been about a week since I've had these on. I don't have them on anymore, but I've tried 2 pairs and each of them lasted for 3 days, and I haven't added like any upkeep or maintenance with them, so they last for 3 days. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out when you hit that subscribe button and when you like my videos. So I'll see you next time.